rat in the middle of the road. I think that was a rat. Jarvis?
What's up, Bill?
Oh, hey!
How's it going?
What are you doing in my car?
Dude, just saw there's a free parking sign in the back. Decided to hitch a ride.
Yeah, like gotta get some customers somehow,
Yeah.
I just made a nice listing on the old marketplace there for a new lens and,
How the kids doing? You
Well-
still in soccer?
no, they're dead.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, you can always make more.
Yeah. That's a benefit,
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna head out now. Drive safe.
Alright, I'll slow down for you.
No, it's okay. Keep going.
Okay.